As a Security Operations Center (SOC) analyst, it's important to develop a well-rounded skill set to effectively monitor, detect, and respond to security incidents. Here are some key areas and skills you should consider learning. 1. Cybersecurity fundamentals. Understand basic cybersecurity concepts, principles, and terminology. Stay updated on the latest cybersecurity threats and trends. 2. Network security. Gain knowledge of network protocols, architecture, and security measures. Learn about firewalls, intrusion detection prevention systems, and other network security devices. 3. Security information and event management, SIEM. Master the use of SIEM tools for log management, correlation, and analysis. Understand how to create and customize SIEM rules and alerts. 4. Incident response. Develop incident response skills to effectively handle security incidents. Learn about incident classification, escalation, and communication protocols. 5. Threat intelligence. Stay informed about current threats and vulnerabilities. Understand how to incorporate threat intelligence into your analysis and response. 6. Security policies and compliance. Familiarize yourself with industry-specific security standards and compliance requirements. Understand the importance of security policies and procedures. 7. Malware analysis. Learn to analyze and identify different types of malware. Understand malware behavior and propagation techniques. 8. Endpoint security. Gain knowledge of endpoint protection technologies. Understand how to analyze endpoint logs and detect anomalous behavior. 9. Security awareness and training. Stay informed about social engineering techniques and phishing attacks. Develop skills in user education and awareness. 10. Scripting and automation. Learn basic scripting languages, e.g. Python, for automation and tooling. Automate routine tasks to enhance efficiency. Remember that the field of cybersecurity is dynamic, and ongoing learning is crucial for staying effective in your role as a SOC analyst. Regularly participate in training, attend conferences, and engage with the cybersecurity community to broaden your knowledge and skills.